Socializing 40. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2406, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised how to achieve salvation. The first thing is to control one's speech. A Muslim should avoid evil speech, as only a single evil word is needed to cause them to plunge into hell on Judgment Day. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2314. A Muslim should avoid vain and useless speech, as it is often the first step to evil speech, and it wastes one's precious time, which will be a great regret for them on Judgment Day. A Muslim should strive to either speak good or remain silent. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176. When one behaves in this manner, even their silence is counted as a good deed. The next thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that a person should not leave their home unnecessarily. Behaving in this manner leads to wasting time and both verbal and physical sins. If one truly and sincerely reflects, they will realize that the majority of their sins and the problems they encountered were due to unnecessarily socializing with others. This does not mean it was always the fault of others, but it means if one avoids unnecessarily leaving their home, they would sin less and encounter less problems and difficulties. This would also free up their time to learn and act on useful knowledge, such as Islamic knowledge, which is beneficial in all aspects of one's life. Socializing unnecessarily wastes the unique blessing of time, which never returns after it passes. Those who wasted their time on vain and sinful things will face stress in this world and a great regret on Judgment Day, especially when they witness the reward of those who utilize their time correctly. In addition, socializing unnecessarily also hinders a person from fulfilling their responsibilities and duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and people. It also prevents one from the important task of self-reflection. This is needed in order to ensure one is heading in the right direction in life, and whether or not they are completing their responsibilities and duties. A lack of self-reflection leads to an aimless life whereby a person has no firm direction in their worldly or religious life. Over-socializing also encourages one to become dependent and clingy to people, and this always leads to emotional, mental and social problems, as one's whole life, their happiness and sadness, all revolves around people and their relationships. One can save themselves from all these negative effects by only socializing when it is necessary.